gave the perfect answer.
Dude, yeah, sure, what Alright, this is going to be real quick. I'm sorry to interrupt your free time here. Very serious, this is an issue here. How many gallons do you think the toilets here use for a flush?
9.
A single flush. 9 gallons?
9.
Alright, how often do you use this SJJ bathrooms every day?
5.
5 times a day.
You should include.
Do you think there's a water conservation problem?
No.
Oh, why not?
I mean, there's enough water. We're like next to Lake Erie. Like, water.
Common misconception. This complete stranger is completely unaware of the current water crisis at our school.
Alright, how many gallons do you think the toilets here use for a single flush?
4.
4, okay, good.
A day?
Just for a single flush.
Probably about 5 gallons.
2, 1.
2? That's a good guess.
1 toilet flush.
Yep.
Goodness. It looks like maybe 3 gallons.
I'd say about 3. I'd say probably a gallon or more.
Oh, man. I'll tell you what, there's one in the faculty men's room. When you stand up, it flushes. When you walk out of the stall, it flushes. It's like, what? Are you serious? I didn't need the double flush, you know? So, way too much. I can't tell you a number.
According to physics, because I'm in that class right now, I would say like, I don't know, 10 maybe.
For a single flush?
For 1 flush.
5.
I'm going to go with 21.
21 gallons.
21 gallons. Shut the front door. The average toilet at SJJ only uses a mere 2 to 3 gallons of water per flush. However, this can add up due to the fact that we have over 40 toilets at our school.
How often do you use the SJJ bathrooms every day?
4 or 5.
About 2 or 3 times.
Once or twice.
Say 3 to 4 times. Usually 2 times.
2 times?
Like once.
That depends on what I've eaten and various other variables in the day.
Just an average.
An average, I would say 3 times a day, maybe. I'm here for 12 hours though. I don't have a prostate issue.
Okay. And how often do you use SJJ bathrooms every day?
3 times a day.
And how often do you use the SJJ bathrooms every day?
Wait a minute. Was that 2 questions? I do use them every day.
Yeah. How many times every day?
This is
Just
kind of
once?
personal. This is a HIPAA violation, man. You can't ask me that.
It's the better our school.
I'd say 3 times a day.
Personal, more like necessary. Without vital, totally anonymous information like this, the problem with water would not be revealed.
Think there's a water conservation problem?
You know, actually I do, because when you stand up to wipe, sometimes it flushes without you wanting it to. And it's a little premature flush, I guess you could call it.
Problem.
No.
You have a problem with it? No? Why not?
I don't know. I never see water going to waste.
Do you think that there's a water conservation problem?
Sure.
Explain.
Then no.
No, why not?
Because go Titans, I don't know. What do you want?
Do you think that there's a water conservation problem?
I think there's probably more efficient toilets out there.
We could do better. We could definitely do better.
Yes, I think so. I think everybody does. I think any large institution like this is going to have an inefficient use of water. 2 gallons of water? Man, imagine if that could be applied to someone who's super thirsty. No.
No? Why not?
I don't know. I don't see it as an album. Like, I just don't.
That's good.
Wake up, people. No water conservation problem? Then how do you explain the fact that we leave the sprinklers on even when it rains? SJJ has worked very hard to maintain a fine campus over the years. However, we should probably start thinking about water efficiency. While perhaps expensive at first, low-flow, high-efficiency toilets can not only save water, but also save money in the long term. The only question is this a big enough issue in the eyes of the school?